Your go-to spot for the most exciting rides, coolest features, and real-world reviews that actually matter. Alright, picture this. You're cruising down a long stretch of desert highway, golden hour sun bouncing off the windshield and behind you. Your entire house on wheels. Yeah, I'm talking about the brand new 2025 Winnebago View, a Class C motorhome that's kinda redefining what it means to live the RV life. This thing's built on a diesel chassis, so it's not just about comfort. It's got real power and durability under the hood. And let me tell you, this isn't your grandpa's old camper van. This one's slick, smart, and ready for some serious adventure. From the outside, the view doesn't try too hard, but that's the beauty of it. The design's clean, modern, and functional. Exactly what you want when you're covering miles across the country. It's sitting on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, which instantly gives it that premium feel, both in how it looks and how it drives. The front fascia has that familiar Sprinter vibe. Aerodynamic lines, LED headlights that cut through the night, and a stance that says, yeah, I can handle those mountain roads just fine. The paint options are classy too. Think subtle silvers, crisp whites and deep blues with just enough shine to make it pop without being flashy. You can tell Winnebago really put some thought into the build quality here. Smooth fiberglass body panels, tight seams, and a solid overall structure. Nothing feels flimsy. Even the slide-outs fit like a glove, expanding the space without compromising stability. And when you step inside, man, it's like walking into a mini luxury apartment. You instantly forget you're in a motorhome. The living area feels open, thanks to those slide-outs and panoramic windows that bring in tons of natural light. The first thing that grabs you is the modern, homey design. Neutral tones, soft LED lighting, and furniture that actually looks and feels comfortable. You've got a full sofa setup that can transform into an extra bed, a dinette area that doubles as your workspace, and enough storage to make long trips a breeze. The craftsmanship here is next level. Real wood cabinetry, solid latches, and soft close drawers. Nothing rattles or creaks, which says a lot when you're rolling down uneven roads. Now, the kitchen area? Pretty sweet setup. Winnebago packed everything you need to live off-grid or whip up a full dinner at a campground. You've got a solid surface countertop, a stainless steel sink with a modern faucet, a 2-burner gas cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. There's even a legit fridge that's big enough for a week's worth of groceries. And yeah, plenty of pantry space for snacks, because, let's be real, every good road trip needs snacks. Moving toward the back, the bedroom layout depends on the floor plan, but every version feels surprisingly roomy. The corner bed design in one layout makes great use of space, while the twin bed to king conversion option gives you flexibility for couples or friends traveling together. The mattress? Honestly, better than what some small apartments have. And there's real privacy too. A solid divider separates it from the living area. The bathroom setup is smart. It's compact but not cramped, which is a tough balance to nail in a Class C. You get a full shower with a skylight, a decent-sized sink, and a toilet with actual elbow room. The fit and finish are clean, modern fixtures, waterproof materials, and ventilation that actually works. It's the kind of space that makes you forget you're showering inside a vehicle. Now let's talk tech, because this thing's loaded. The 2025 View comes with a fully digital command center that lets you monitor your tanks, control lighting, and even manage your generator or solar setup from a touchscreen or your phone. You've got a full suite of safety features thanks to the Mercedes-Benz base, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active braking, and even crosswind assist. It's basically like having a co-pilot that keeps you safe while you enjoy the drive. The infotainment system is classic Mercedes, so you're getting a big touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-quality sound system. Perfect for blasting some tunes while you're rolling through the Rockies. And yeah, this baby's built for off-grid life too. You've got solar panels up top, lithium-ion batteries for extended power, and an optional generator setup. You could easily post up in a remote spot for days without worrying about hookups. There's even an optional Wi-Fi booster and satellite system for those who want to stay connected on the road, whether it's for remote work or just streaming Netflix under the stars. Under the hood, the View's powered by the 2.0-liter Mercedes-Benz turbo diesel engine. Reliable, torquey, and surprisingly fuel efficient for a rig this size. You're looking at around 15 to 17 miles per gallon depending on how you drive, which is actually really good for a motorhome. And because it's a diesel, it's built for the long haul. These engines can rack up hundreds of thousands of miles if you take care of them. Maintenance isn't cheap, but it's not outrageous either. Think in the range of a luxury SUV. Oil changes, filters, and the occasional Mercedes service. Worth it for the performance and longevity you're getting. As for price, well, the 2025 Winnebago View starts right around $190,000, give or take, depending on options. Yeah, that's not pocket change, but when you think about it, this thing is both your transportation and your home. You're getting luxury build quality, top-notch safety, and serious freedom. And with the resale values Winnebagos usually hold, it's not a bad long-term investment for anyone who loves the open road. Speaking of that, let's talk about the lifestyle for a sec. Because buying a motorhome like this isn't just about specs and gadgets. It's about that feeling of waking up somewhere new every morning. You can park by the beach one night, then wake up in the mountains the next. You can chase the weather, follow the festivals, or just disconnect from the chaos for a while. It's freedom in its purest form, your own little slice of the American dream on wheels. And honestly, there's something magical about sitting by your RV with a cup of coffee, watching the sunrise over a national park, knowing you can go anywhere next. At the end of the day, the 2025 Winnebago View isn't just another RV, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's built tough, packed with comfort, and designed to give you the best of both worlds, adventure and home. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a full-timer, or just someone who's tired of hotel rooms and airport lines, this rig delivers the kind of freedom most people only dream about. So yeah, if you've been thinking about hitting the road in style, the new Winnebago View deserves a serious look. It's efficient, modern, and ridiculously comfortable for its size. And once you take it out on the open highway, there's a good chance you won't want to come back. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around. We've got more RV reviews, road trip builds, and behind-the-wheel adventures coming up. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and I'll catch you in the next one.